Hello dear student, once again welcome in this class. Today we are going to discuss about another very important topic known as tautomeres. Tautomeres is also known as a special type of functional isomers because in this isomers exist simultaneously in dynamic equilibrium with each other. Okay? And it is defined as the phenomena in which a single compound exists in two readily interconvertible forms which differ markedly in the relative position of at least one atomic nuclei. Okay? Generally hydrogen. See here, the definition of tautomeres may be defined as tautomerism may be defined as the phenomena defined as the phenomena in which in which a single compound exists in two readily interconvertible interconvertible form in which is differed which is differed which is differed markedly in the position of at least one single atom. Okay, single atom, generally hydrogen. Okay, dear student, let us see the example. Okay, next, hydrocyanic acid. Hydrocyanic acid name HCN can exist in two forms. Here the structure is as sorry HC triple bond N. Okay, this is known hydrocyanic acid, but is readily interconvertible like this H and C and this. Okay, it is known hydrocyanic acid, hydrocyanic acid, while this is known isohydrocyanic acid, isohydrocyanic acid. Nitrous acid also exists in two forms like this. Then another example, nitrous acid exists in the following form: nitrous acid. Okay, exists in this form H and O, and this is oxygen. One is nitroform here, and second one is this is nitroform, and this is nitrite form. This is nitrite form, and you can see here the only position is changed here. Oxygen here, nitrogen is attached to the one valency of nitrogen satisfied with oxygen, and two valency of nitrogen satisfy another oxygen. But here one valence is satisfied with hydrogen and the another two valence is satisfied with oxygen, and one coordinate bond formed between nitrogen and oxygen. Okay, dear student. So this is readily interconvertible to each other. One form is nitroform, where nitrogen form one double bond between oxygen and one coordinate bond between nitrogen and oxygen. Also nitrogen attached to the hydrogen is formed nitroform. But in these conditions, here hydrogen, when hydrogen one nitrogen attached to oxygen and two valency satisfy with another oxygen, it is formed nitrite form. Okay, so nitrite and nitro form is the form of nitrous acid, and this is readily interconvertible to each other. Okay, dear student, let us see the another example, nitroethane. Nitroethane. Another example, nitroethane. Okay, dear student, CH3, CH2 and N. This is the nitro form. Okay, dear student. So nitroethane. Here it is a coordinate bond between nitrogen and oxygen. Okay, dear student. But suppose one hydrogen atom here, and this bond shifted to here, and hydrogen shifted here after the accepting the pi electron of oxygen and nitrogen. It formed another structure like CH3, CH double bond nitrogen and single bond OH and one coordinate bond between nitrogen and oxygen. Okay, this is the another form of nitroethane. This is form nitroethane, while this is form isonitroethane. This is called isonitroethane. Okay, dear student. So these are readily interconvertible to each other. Let us see the another example like keto-enol form. Keto form and enol form. Keto form and enol form. In keto form, one compound is in ketone, while the another is unsaturated alcohol like CH3, C double bond O, CH3. Suppose one hydrogen atom shifted to here and one double bond shifted here, and to form CH3, C double bond CH2, and one is OH. This is enol form, and this is keto form. Okay, so this is known keto-enol isomers and keto-enol form. Okay, so ketone have two structure, acetone have, one is keto form here, acetone, and second one is unsaturated alcohol. Okay, dear student, so this is also another type of example of a tautomers. Okay, this means keto form and enol form are tautomers to each other, and this phenomena is called tautomers. Okay, dear student. Okay, and next one is, today we are going to discuss about another isomeres known as ring chain isomeres. What is ring chain isomeres? Here, ring chain isomeres. Okay, dear student, what is ring chain isomeres? When two or more compounds having the same molecular formula differ in the mode of linking of carbon atoms and have open and ring chain structure. Sorry, dear student. due to some difficulties, due to some the slow. Now next, ring chain isomers. When two or more compounds having same molecular formula but differ in the mode of linking of carbon atoms and have open and closed chain structure is called ring chain isomerism. Let us see the definition. When two or more compounds having same molecular formula but differ only the mode of linking of carbon atoms having and have open chain and closed chain structure the phenomena is called ring chain isomerism, and the compounds are called ring chain isomers. Okay, dear student, let us see the example. Suppose we have the formula C3H6. C3H6 can be formed two types of structure, like open structure CH3, CH2, CH, and double bond CH2. The molecular formula here, the number of atoms in this structure are same, like C3H6 here, 3 carbon, 6 hydrogen, and 6 hydrogen, 3 carbon. So the another example is, let us see, CH2, CH2, CH2. This is the another kind of structure. In this structure you can see this is the ring structure and this is the open structure. In open structure, number of carbon atom, number of hydrogen atom same as the ring structure. Number of carbon atom here also 3 and number of hydrogen atom here 6. Okay, so this structure is different, but the number of atoms are same in both the structure. It is open structure, it is ring structure, so it is called ring chain isomers. This is known as propene, while the name of this compound is cyclopropane. This is in saturated form, while this is in unsaturated form. Okay, dear students, let us see the another example. C4H8. The structure, open structure will be C3, CH2, CH, and double bond CH2. This is the open structure, name as bute 1 while the ring chain structure is CH2 bond CH2, 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 like this. This is the cyclobutane. Okay, dear student, it is cyclobutane and it is bute 1 in both having same molecular formula, but structure are different. Here is open structure and here is cyclic structure. Okay, so known as ring chain isomers to each other. Okay, dear student, and Uh, Let us see the another example like this. Another example, C6H12. The open structure will be CS3, CS2, 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 CH double bond CS2. Okay, dear student, here number of carbon atom and number of hydrogen atom are same like C6H12 here. Okay, dear student. So the name of this compound is Hex 1E, and after cyclic form it form another two type of structure like CH2, 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 CH2 is the another kind of structure. Okay, this is known as cyclohexane. Okay, dear student, it may be found another example 1-methyl cyclopentane like this. CH, CH3, CS2, 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 CS2. This is the another kind of structure. Okay, see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. You can see here. And valency of all carbon is satisfied. Also the number of carbon atom and number of hydrogen atom same here and in this condition all the number of carbon and hydrogen atom are same. That means these are the ring chain isomers of C6H12 belong to alkene family. Okay, dear student. So name of this compound is 1-methyl and cyclopentane. That means 1-methyl cyclopentane, cyclohexane and Hex1-ene are ring chain isomers. This is chain isomers and these are ring isomers and belong to same molecular formula C6H12. Okay, dear student, so known as ring chain isomers. I hope there is no any problem, and I have discussed all the structural isomers. We have already discussed another kinds of isomers like position isomers, chain isomers, metamers, functional isomers, and today we have also discussed about remaining two isomers, tautomers and ring chain isomers. Okay, dear student, and in next video we will discuss about the stereoisomers. Okay, thank you, all the best.